Happy holidays, everyone. I am so excited today to show you how to add spatial audio to ShowCAST, our web AR studio on our WorldCAST platform. So you can do things like this. I'm going to give you a bunch of different examples, how you can actually use it in everyday life for different things. So just watch this and I'm going to get to a tutorial soon. So right now I'm going to place this in my room. I created this with some Sketchfab elements, as well as a couple of PNGs. So if I look to my right, the audio goes to the left. If I look to the left, the audio goes to my right. It's really noticeable in headphones. If I walk up closer to it, the audio gets louder. If I back away from it, the audio gets lower. So you can have a lot of fun. For example, we could do this. I'm told never to do that again by my wife and kids, but you get the idea. You can have fun. It's away from me, the audio. If I look back to it, louder. And I'm doing this right now for my friends. I'm going to be sending them an invite. Try to see how many current pop culture things, or even past pop culture things, you can see in this. So I'm just going to open that up. So it tells me a date and everything else. If I tap the RSVP button at the very top, it's going to open up my email address. So if I tap that button, it will open up my email address. Now I did this all without any code whatsoever, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. Audio is a premium feature, but I'm going to show you how you can use the spatial audio and try it out without having to pay for it. So let's get started. So all you have to do is go to studio.worldcast.io and pick ShowCAST. And in this case, we're going to start with freemium, and we're going to add the premium content of the spatial audio when we're done, okay? So we're going to go select. We're going to call this birthday party. We'll pretend this is going to be a birthday party. Birthday party invite. All right. So in this case, I'm going to go RSVP where it says button title. I'm going to just have it go to my email. So this button link can be a URL, it can be a phone number. So maybe you might want to create a form that it goes to, like a Google form. That's free as well. In this case, I'm just going to go mail to. So let's make sure it's all one word, mail to, colon, and I'm just going to put my email address. If anybody wants to email me, it's will@kp9.ca. And in this case, because since it's absolute scale, you can kind of tell the size of the environment to start off with. I'm just going to pick 6 feet. And go create. So you have the ability to go meters, centimeters, feet, and inches. In this case, I'm showing my Canadian roots. I'm picking feet. So I'm going to go create. We're starting with the blank canvas. I'm going to hit F11 on my keyboard to go full screen. This is all running in the browser. Sometimes it might take a few extra seconds to load up as it is running. It is loading a pretty robust piece of 3D software. So let's do this. Just 1 second. All right. So this circle in the middle lets you know which way it's facing. So you never get lost if you rotate the canvas around. So all the instructions are up here for rotate camera, pan camera, and zoom. So you can zoom back and forth. You can pan left and right, and you can rotate the canvas. So we're going to start off nice and easy. My son's in the Fortnite, so I'm just going to grab Peely. You can buy models in Sketchfab, but we're going to show you how you can use free. Now it's free to create a Sketchfab account. And you have access of 500,000 plus models for free, as well as some really high quality paid ones, but there's some really high quality free ones as well from the community out there. So in this case, let's go Peely, because I know he likes that character. There we go. So I'm just going to grab that one. Now you can just go show only animate it to make sure you grab animated ones. So let's go animate it. Let's pick this one. Let's go import. This is by Parallel Alex. So we have Peely. So we're just going to move Peely over here. Peely is 6 feet in the environment. Let's make it a little bit more realistic so it's not taking up a huge scene in the room. Let's try to make this a little bit smaller so it's not, again, it's not going to be massive in the environment. So we'll make that 4.5 feet. Make it 0 on the ground. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a PNG that I created with my son's in Canva, just to give you an example. So you can go to Canva or any other software creation and actually just quickly make a graphic. I'm just doing this for illustrative purposes. So I'm just going to drag and drop from my folder over on my other monitor. You could also went to image and upload it directly to the screen that way, or to the system. So I'm just going to rotate this up. All the instructions are up here on the left-hand side. Move object, smooth, snap, rotate, and scale. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. I'm going to grab the center ring. Then you can go over here as well. And because we're designing for absolute scale, we can actually go this. I'm going to change this from, it's 420 right now. And we'll change that to maybe 5 feet. We'll make sure that it's 0 off the ground, so it's attached right to the ground. So now we have Peely dancing right beside this. And I'm going to come over here and grab a birthday jingle, which I already have. You can either come over here and grab, actually, you know what? Before I do that, we're still on the free premium, so it won't support that. I'm going to go save and publish. Forgot I was going to show you how to do this for free, as well as add the premium content. So now we have a QR code that pops up and a URL, so you can copy the URL and send it to someone. You also get an email sent to you. So you don't have to put an email in at the very beginning of the studio. Only when you're ready to look at the content do you put your email address in. In this case, I've already done that because I'm logged into my account. I'm going to scan this QR code, and I'll be able to place that content right where I placed it. So we have the RSVP button, as you can see at the top. I'm going to go let it load. I'm going to tap to place in my space. So we have Peely. And we have the Lucas turning 10, and if I tap RSVP, it will open up my email address or go to whatever link that I would have defined when I created this. Let's go return to Studio. What we're going to do is we're going to upgrade this account. Upgrade. Select. And we can browse that file. In this case, I'm going to go grab my folder and just drag the audio over and go proceed. So now we have our audio, we can listen to it here. Perfect, and I'm gonna go save. Now actually I forgot when I was doing this that on your first time you ever go to save, it could be a draft. So what we could have done is when you save with a draft, you get 100 views with the QR code. So that's the only thing I won't be able to show you because I wasn't thinking that through. So maybe if I try ScheduleCast, I'll do this while I'm recording. So let's just schedule a cast to start. There we go. So let's go save. And let's go save cast. So maybe because it's not live yet, it's going to show. Perfect. So it did work. So because I unpublished it and I scheduled it to start on December 1st, it now has a draft mode. So this is how you can try out a cast without actually paying that premium $10 a month fee. So I'm just going to go tap the place in my space. And now I have audio. Now this could be used for other things like birthday, happy birthday. You can be wishing somebody a happy birthday. So that's how easy it is to create spatial audio inside ShowCAST, our Web AR studio on WorldCAST platform with no code. I can't wait to see what you create as always.